Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a go video with me and my wife. We tried to do a title video, but that didn't work out, unfortunately. So, we just like, okay, screw it, we're gonna do tricks off beyond that. For fun, for the lows. So, hope you guys enjoy it. So I used, I think, a swap. Yeah, so she went to, so like say she asked, I called by the Grave in the Ash Blossom is a recurring theme in this duel. Y'all see that? Like say since she already said it, wasn't afraid of anything. I don't know why she made Nightmare Mermaid. Again, Light Sage call Ash called by the Grave, quits the duel. That was round one. Cause that was a quickie. She was like screw that Ash. She was like screw the call by the Grave. That should be bullshit. What? She had Lycurus in her hand, so it kind of sucked. Kind of, screwed me up. She in it with double Lycurus, which is insane. Double Lycurus with Light Stage turn 1. That shit hurts. Every time I had a card in my hand, I pick 800 damage, which adds up quick. I can only add cards in my hand 10 times. Ugh. So we go to a double Lycurus Light Stage mirror match right now. It's crazy. We both burn. So I waited for her to rebuild the, oh no, that's different. So she summoned Candina, such Lycurus. Unfortunately, she had, okay, yeah. So I waited for her to rebuild the Lycurus to use Trickstar Reincarnation. Because if I had used Trickstar Reincarnation before, she could have, just fucking used, Lycurus effective and chain me. The quickie, so. I was like, yeah, screw that. I'm not stupid. I know this game well. Yeah, I used Reincarnation, used Lycurus to absorb the blow, trying to hopefully. Yeah, and then I draw for turn, and she burns me to death for turn. Draw. Yeah, that was unfortunate. I was just. So, we got round 3 coming up. Load replay. Swap. Oh wait, swap. I don't know why she kept wasting hand traps. So I had almost nothing, unfortunately. I don't know why she used Call by the Grave either on the Incarnation.
I don't know what I was thinking then.
I got Reincarnation on the Grave. I was like, okay, I could just drain it. She got Heavy Storm Duster for turn, which didn't really do much. I honestly was afraid of Tricks or Reincarnation, which I see now that she couldn't have done, but actually, yeah, she could have. I said infinite impermanence, and the monster I had set was Effect Failure. Just in case you have monster Trickstar Reincarnation. So that was the duels, and then for the deck profile, we have 3 Trickstar Candina, 3 Trickstar Lycus, 2 Trickstar Carabiner, 1 Trickstar Lilybell, 3 Drone Lockbird, 3 Ash Blossom, 3 Effect Failure, 3 Trickstar Light Sage. I realized that this is at 1 2 terraforming. I realize this is also limited. So kept the 2 light stages and the terraforming out for like a Metaphors and 2 landed Demise, and it works just the same. 3 Power of Extravagance, uh, 3 Call by the Grave, 3 Trickstar Reincarnation, 3 Infinite Impermanence, 2 Heavy Storm Duster, 3 Trap Tricks, because you play plenty of normal traps. Extra deck, 1 Evil Sworn Exxon Knight, 1 number 41 Bazooka, the terribly tired Tapir, but that's a mouthful right there. Nightmare Mermaid, 1 Nightmare Phoenix, 1 Nightmare Cerberus, 1 Nightmare Phoenix, 1 Nightmare Griffin, 1 Clara, and Rushka the whatever. One of these guys, 1 Underclock Taker, 1 Decode Talker, 1 Borlow Dragon, 1 Bull Sword Dragon, 1 Solution Gold Dread, 1 Topological Bomber Dragon. And then for the side, 3 Winged Dragon or Spear Mode, 3 Dino Wrestler Pink Tops, 1 Impenetrable Order, 1 Anti-Spell Fragrance, 3 there can only be 1, 1 Heavy Storm Duster, and then 3 Evenly Match. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I will catch you guys later. This is TheJinzo, signing out. Bye.